Ocean radar has gone quiet across South Texas. Nothing left out there. The rain that was here yesterday, even early this morning, just to the south, has moved completely out of the scope. So things are going to stay quiet for at least a little while, we think. Satellite and radar, as we zoom out just a little bit, shows that most of Texas, in fact, all of Texas, now very quiet. Everybody saw a beautiful sunny day today. Humidity was relatively low. Pretty comfortable day wall to wall across the state of Texas. Big ridge in control now. High pressure here at the surface, right down in on top of South Texas. And when it sits there, you don't have much wind because the difference in pressure, you're right under the peak of it, so you don't have any wind at all. But that high will start to move eastward and will warm up a little bit more tomorrow. The wind will start to pick up a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit out of the southeast. Getting a little bit stronger on Thursday, and when the wind picks up a little more, that brings in a little more moisture. That brings a little humidity back in, but still, Thursday's a dry day. Thursday's a very warm day with temperatures into the upper 80s. So let's go to Friday. Here we go. This is where things start to change. Friday is still warm, but the front is moving across Texas. Notice behind the front, skies clear out. Ahead of it, there's a bunch of moisture, and we do see scattered showers as early as middle of the afternoon on Friday. When the front itself comes in Friday evening, could even be a thunderstorm. It'll settle down to the south of us and cool temperatures will build in. I think clouds and maybe even a couple of showers could linger into the early morning hours Saturday, but as the day goes on, they should get out of here and we'll get back to sunshine by afternoon and much cooler temperatures. Now, let's look at future track locally now and watch what happens, because I think tonight we see patchy fog during the daytime. Tomorrow, it's just partly to mostly sunny. We go forward to tomorrow night, we're mainly clear again, with patchy clouds on Thursday, not much more than that. Going into Friday, that's when you start to see the changes, though. First thing in the morning, a lot of clouds, and by midday, a few showers possible and perhaps even a thunderstorm, especially when the front comes in. So we're dry and dry Wednesday and Thursday, but Friday we go up to a 40% chance of stuff, mainly late in the day. That's when we could see an actual thunderstorm, but I wouldn't be surprised even early if we see scattered showers around as well. Now let's look at temperatures. Here's where we are right now. Most of the valley is cooled back into the 70s, except for Rio Grande City, where it's still 81. Overnight tonight, readings will drop into the low 60s. Some places will touch the upper 50s. Then tomorrow, back in the 80s again. We repeat that process on Thursday. No real change. Near 60 in the morning, mid 80s in the afternoon. And even Friday, we start just a little warmer, close to 70. We're right back up in the 80s, but that front comes in late in the day. And if this was a 4-day forecast instead of a 3-day, you'd see the drop, because I think Saturday's high will be down here around 66. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast coming up in just a second. So here's what we have for you if you're headed to the coast. In the morning, temperatures start in the 70s. Southwesterly winds, really light and variable winds because the high is right on top of us. Rip current risk is moderate. UV index moderate as well. Surf temperature 73. I think we see some sunshine. This is keeping clouds around, but I think we'll see sun at the coast much of the day. Low tide's 9:28 in the morning. High tide 6:43 in the evening. Seas just a couple of feet. A light chop, and the bay temperature is at 71. So tonight, mainly clear, but then patchy fog shows up. Temperature drops down to the dew point. Humidity is 100%. You get fog, and I think that may happen in spots like it did this morning. Then tomorrow we start with the fog early. It'll be patchy, not widespread. You won't see it everywhere, but if you drive around, you may go in and out of it. But then we're sunny by middle of the morning. We should stay that way the rest of the day. So here you go. Bunch of 88s through Friday. A shower, even a thunderstorm possible Friday. Front comes through during the evening hours. Keep that in mind if you're going to a football game Friday night. And then look at this. A high on Saturday of only 66. Sunday we're back to 73. There's plenty of sunshine. Sunday morning's low, only 46. So a chilly Sunday morning. But again, we're back in the 70s by afternoon. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.